Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crypto Rocket. Today's video I'll be talking about an arbitrage opportunity on Binance Exchange. I will take you on how to participate on this arbitrage opportunity, and this arbitrage opportunity is called Triangular Arbitrage. The arbitrage will be happening only on Binance Exchange. I will buy the currency from Binance Exchange and also exchanges on Binance Exchange. It is called Triangular Arbitrage. So if you have not subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe on my channel. Click on the bell icon so that whenever I post any video like this, you'll be there to share or to watch it and participate on it on time. You know, arbitrage doesn't last like that. It can fluctuate as crypto markets might be. So I will advise you to first do this on a demo side, and if there is you gain anything from it, then you can also participate on it on a real life, and also put the amount that you can afford to lose. You know, cryptocurrency can be volatile and anything can happen. The higher you put on arbitrage system, the more you get. So you don't expect to put $1 and you to get $1,000. It is not, it will not happen like that. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let us dive into my screen to show you how to participate on this wonderful arbitrage opportunity. Okay, so the token we'll be using today is called ACH, which is Alchemy Pay. Okay, if I click on it on my coin market cap, as you can see, this token is being traded on $0.01799 as of today. Okay, and it have a total supply of 10 billion. The market cap is 117 million and volume trading is up to 7 million. Okay, so as you can see, the token have done well, also dropped and consolidating up to date. Okay, as you can see, the token has been listed on Binance, Coinbase, Binance TRY, KuCoin USDT, Coinbase, another Coinbase USDT, Kraken, Hub, and so forth. Okay, so if you check on SEX, that's centralized exchange, that's the one I just mentioned. On DEX, you can see it have listed on PancakeSwap, also listed on Uniswap. Okay, so let us check the variance, okay, between the currencies that we are going to trade. As you can see on ACH BTC, you can see it is trading 0.01824, and on ACH USDT 0.01798. You can see there is variation in between the two cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, so we'll be using this, or I will be making the opportunity, we'll be using it to maybe achieve our arbitrage system today. Okay, so let us dive into our Binance exchange. By the way, if you have not registered on Binance exchange, if you register with my link, you'll be able to get up to 100 USDT for trading, for your perpetual trading, which is future trading. Okay, so and in this channel I teach how to trade all this. Okay, even forex trading too. Okay, so just stay tuned. Okay, so click on ACH USDT. Click on ACH USDT. As you can see, ACH USDT will be buying up to 1,000. Okay, 1,000, and also sell it on BTC. We'll sell it on BTC. Okay, and sell it on BTC. then we copy it again, then go to BTC USDT, BTC USDT, which is this one, BTC USDT, which is this one. Now we sell BTC to USDT right now. Okay, look at it, massive profit. This is $13 profit with 1,000. Okay, $13 profit is not bad. It is not bad. Okay, if you make 13,000, okay. Now let us check the calculator now. Okay. Okay, now this is the calculator. Now we check $13 times, assuming you do this in 100 times. Okay, 100 times, what are you going to, you make at least 100% of your deposit. You make 100% of your deposit. That's massive, gentlemen. So if you love this kind of video, just hit on the like button, like it, of course. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Share this video to your friends. See you on my next video. Thank you.